How to change your age on Discord. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So go ahead and open up Discord and log into your account. And once you do that, click on the profile picture or icon at the bottom right of the screen. Once you do that, scroll all the way down to the app information section, and from there click on support. It will open up this page in any browser you have. Once this page opens, click on the three lines at the top left of the screen next to the sign in option. Then from the list, click on submit a request, and here from this drop down menu that says what can we help you with, select trust and safety. Enter your email address in this field right here, and from the how can we help drop down, select appeal, age update, other questions. Then from this new drop down that just appeared, click on it and select update my age information, and then check this box right here that confirm that you have read the information below, and then you have the option to enter your mobile phone number or don't, and here you need to provide them with your date of birth that you want them to change it to, and then check the box to confirm that you have attached the required material, and in the subject field right here write change date of birth or age changing or something like that, and give them a description that your date of birth is wrong and you want them to change it to the new one. And in the attachment option, at last you have the option to add files such as your ID or passport to confirm to them that this is your true birth date, but it's optional, you can do it or not. And then click on submit, and after that the support team will change your date of birth and change your age in your Discord account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can change your date of birth in Discord. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.